Okay, we're taking a look at the Google Classroom. This is the Google Classroom for World History. This will be very important because this will be the framework by which you'll get content. You'll submit assignments. You'll be given new information, readings. Everything will be posted here. And this will be true whether we are in a virtual environment at home or a hybrid environment or here at school. So let's take a look at the framework that we have for this class. Every day I'll post, and you'll see that the date for the posting starts here at the beginning. This is when we put it here, and this is the date that you want to look at. I'll post daily and have them coming out day to day. I provide a general overview of what we hope to get done, and you can see that for today and tomorrow, I posted for 2 days since half of you coming on Wednesday, half on Thursday. It's going to help you focus on how we study history, the rules, the syllabus, and we're talking about the Google Classroom, but it's all listed right there. And every day, you'll know, generally speaking, what our goals and objectives are by going there. I could also post links below that if we need to do this. But with assignments and using Google Classroom more than we ever have before, you'll notice upcoming assignments are listed here. And the assignments that we're working on in class, for example, today, are due on Friday, and there are 2 of them. So first off, we have an assignment. It's called Syllabus in the Google Classroom. It's a quiz. So if you click Instructions, you'll see everything you need under the instructions. The syllabus, this is the quiz that you'll click, but you want to make sure you look at the materials first. So we have here is the video, which gives you my overview of the rules. You could use that if you would help. And here is the text, a Word document. Sometimes it'll be in Google Docs where you'll have information. Reading assignments will be posted like that too. The reading assignments will be posted there with direction and goals and assignments. And now with the student work, click under here and you'll be able to click on the quiz itself and answer the 5-question quiz. And the quiz will be graded and I'll get your results once you've finished. So that's how we do a quiz using this. We'll be doing test mods in class too for a lot more of the tests, and I'll talk more about test mods later on. Now, the other assignment is I have a question, and the question is, why is studying world history more important in your generation than any other previous generation? I put this stuff down, and again, this is based on the reading of the class rules. I have the YouTube video here, and I'm going to add the document of the class rules, and simply you type your answer down here, and it will be in the form of a forum question. So this is a student question. You'll be able to see everybody else's answers here. So our purpose is, in many cases, is to run discussions from something like this. It's an online post. So generally speaking, all assignments, all materials will be found there. And it's really important that if you can't find something, that you send an email and ask me where it is. But we'll try to get in some consistent patterns of using Google Classroom. So if there's a day you don't feel well, you don't have to fall behind in class, and all the material is here for you to do. So that's what we have, and I hope it works out for you. Any feedback would be appreciated.